Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video when we upload. If your suitcase looks like a beauty store exploded, you're doing it wrong. Let's fix that with some vacation beauty essentials. Whether you're off to a beach paradise or a city escape, packing the right beauty essentials is key. First, a travel-sized sunscreen, non-negotiable. Keep your skin safe from those strong vacation rays. Next, grab a multi-purpose product like a tinted moisturizer with SPF. It hydrates, protects, and gives you that fresh look all day. Don't forget a compact makeup kit, mascara, lip balm, and a versatile eyeshadow. Perfect for day-to-night transitions. For hair, a mini dry shampoo will be your best friend. Goodbye greasy roots, hello volume. Finally, eco-friendly, reusable containers are a must. They save space and the planet. So there you have it. Pack light, travel bright, and keep glowing wherever you go. Safe travels. If you find this helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. You can also visit greatermood.com for more skincare and wellness tips. See you next time.